Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up separate work and personal profiles in Microsoft Edge. This simple setup lets you keep your professional and personal browsing completely separate, making it easier to stay organized and secure online. First, open Microsoft Edge. If you're new to Edge, it's Microsoft's browser available on both Windows and Mac. Once open, look at the top right corner and click the three-dot button. This is your Settings and More menu. From here, select Settings. Inside Settings, click on Profiles on the left-hand side. This is where you manage all your browsing profiles. To create a new profile, click Add Profile in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to sign in. This is where you choose between a work or a personal Microsoft account. For a work profile, use your work or school account. This keeps all work-related bookmarks, history, and login credentials in one place, separate from your personal browsing. For a personal profile, sign in with your personal Microsoft account, like Outlook or Hotmail, keeping your private browsing distinct. Once both profiles are set up, you can easily switch between them. Each profile has its own bookmarks, history, extensions, cookies, and login details. This separation not only makes managing your digital life easier, but also enhances security by preventing work and personal data from mixing. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you now have distinct work and personal profiles in Microsoft Edge, making your online experience more organized, efficient, and secure.